surreal po. It's just a dream of mine. We've been mentioning this ever since we were pre-debut pa. Trainees pa po kami na someday sana makakalap namin isa sa mga members or even the members of SB19. And ngayon, nakakalap kami, even produce a song for us.
That's
excited.
When I heard yesterday, I was...
When we found out,
I was like, wow.
Level of excellence that we want to execute. And he was standing. So hopefully we did justify his level.
Hopefully.
Masaya, actually masaya. This is my first time officially collaborating because this is the first time na nagkaroon ako ng interaction with a group na talagang ako yung gumawa ng music. So, for G22, masasabi ko na magagaling talaga silang singer. Parang hindi sila nahirapan pagdating dun sa pag-deliver ng music. And they also have their own style. Feeling ko bagay na bagay sila yung music sa kanila.
Sobrang kabado. Kasi, as for me, may parts dito yung song, yung verses na first time ko siyang ma-encounter.
They're so pretty.
Especially sa rap flow.
We actually had only one date together. She really mastered this. We're still practicing. We're like updating. It's like all yung kasi kahit sa bahay. Yun lang pinapakinggan ko din. Kasi excited and also of course like we want to give justice. And syempre artwork.
Siguro the very thing that inspired me is yung campaign nila. Nagustuhan ko yung campaign nila, which is utilizing artificial intelligence in our daily lives. And nagusto ko rin yung parang tagline ng campaign nila, which is limitless.
How?
Actually, very
Strength.
very powerful yung song. Kaya nakaka-excited siyang i-perform kasi once again, ganun na tayo again, very record. Yes. The powerful song. And from Rad Kids pa, Pablo.
And it's like parang, parang talagang inalign ni Kuya Pablo yung vision namin, tsaka yung vision niya sa kantang to. Kasi alam naman G22, we are, encouraging people na don't set boundaries, be who you are. So,
I really like these girls.
Ako gusto
They look so genuine.
Personally, hindi ko masasabing may style ako pagdating sa paggawa ng music because I'm always open to more learning. Yan, ganyan. Kaya excited ako kapag may lumalapit sa akin na gustong parang ma-materialize yung vision nila pagdating sa music.
Wow, definitely. Kung ano yung ginawa natin today.
Thankfully, ang dami pong nandarin para sa amin ni Acer. So, lahat ng yun, pinaghahanaan namin at the moment. At marami pong iba.
Siyempre, magpapalagpasan guys, August 4, Acer Day. Malaking event talaga.
You're gonna perform? Okay.
Meaning ang day para sa inyo guys. You can see this live.
For sure, si Acer, marami ang nakabangko na projects na nakahanda for the year to come. Pero I'm most excited about yung Acer Day kasi magkakaroon kami ng collaboration with G22 for this song. So, sana abangan po nila yan. Sana magustuhan po nila.